Hi, I'm Amelia. I used to be an operating room nurse till I found out that I was pregnant, so I decided to trade in all of my scraps so I could be with my family. Come hang out with me as I remodel my home, quilt, restore furniture, and find thrifted goods for my home. Please subscribe so you don't miss anything. Thanks! Hey guys, I'm in the garage again. I'm going to be working on this. This is a bookshelf that my dad built for me when I was living in Arizona. It was in our office and it worked out great for us there. Now I'm wanting to make it more of like a concealed space for my stuff because I have a lot of like random folders and they're not all pretty, and you know, I'd rather just have something that has doors on it. I have an inspiration pic, I'll put it right there. That picture, it doesn't have like these lips and stuff on the sides and on the front. So I'm gonna cut that down and make it so it's all flush in one thing, and then I'm gonna put in some structural support in the centerpiece and then make doors.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm used to fly to get up here. Reboot, discharging. I'm gonna waste my time with someone slowing me down, 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 down. So high, I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over, 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage, 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, 'cause you can fall into my pain.
All right, I always look like shit in these videos. I'm sorry, someday I'll get my act together. But this is El Natural. Anyways, okay. I guess I should say, right now I'm making doors. I did all my cuts in a batch, and then I do all my pocket holes in a batch. That way, you know, you save time, you're not constantly switching things around. I just made one, and you can notice the back's pocket holes, but the centerpiece is gonna be rattan. So that's why I have it open and, you know, nothing in the center. I just have 3 more doors to make. I think I'll probably finish that up tonight because I can hear my little one screaming mom, and Chris is watching Conrad. We gotta go give him a break. I got the black on. I'm only gonna do the frame and the body, not necessarily the inside. Got that on, and now I'm gonna let it dry. I did oil paint. First time using oil paint. I read that it prevents streak marks, but time will tell. I'll let this puppy dry and see how it does. But in the meantime, I'm out. I'm gonna go take care of a baby. The next part is gonna be the rattan. And so this is my rattan. Oh, it is beautiful. I mean, it really is. I really love it. I think it's super stunning. I have one door finished, and I just kind of wanted to show you what I'm doing. Okay, so I want to talk a little bit about my stapling technique. So I'm just using a regular old stapler. I have an air compressor stapler, but it's so loud and so cumbersome, and the cord, and I would rather just, use the good old trusty stapler. So what I do, it's kind of like stretching fabric. I get my sides, my four corners, really good and tight. As I'm stapling, I'm pulling it this way so that I don't get any like lumpies, and I staple one side. And I'll do that for all sides. And I also want to make sure that you guys know that you don't want to staple in towards like the part that's not supported, because that's going to push on your rattan and like warp it. So I always make sure, I always make sure to like staple it so that if I do bend my wrist down, that it's not pushing on, this beautiful woven, I think it's wood, right? It's a type of wood. Because I don't want to like a divot, like if you have like a plain cotton t-shirt and you like pull in one spot and it leaves like a little dimple, it'll do the same thing with your rattan. Get all four sides and then kind of stretch and pull and make things tight, and do staples about 1/4 of an inch apart is what I'm stapling them at. And I might be doing like a thin little bead of wood glue just along those staples to adhere so that they don't start to fray on me. That's my plan,